These have been 3D printed, which is a process whereby a machine takes a series of digital instructions to extrude molten plastic in multiple layers, building up a 3D object. What's interesting about these is not only were they made with the 3D printer, they're also parts for a 3D printer. Today we're at the Werktage for a workshop with Open 3D Engineering, where we're going to build and learn how to use the open source RepRap 3D printer. RepRap is an open community making self-replicating machines. Everyone's free to adapt parts and ideas, which means the printers evolve as the community grows.
About 2 years ago I built my first 3D printer. It takes quite long to do this. It took me about 2 months to build my first printer. It was very frustrating, and what we are trying to do here is to get all this frustration away and do it in 2 days and have basically people coming out here with a 3D printer that they can use, and so they know the basics. What we're building today here is the Prusa i3. It's kind of the lead model of the RepRap project.
I think this is a very good printer to start with. Of course, there's many other designs out there. It's a living machine. This is basically just a proposal of how you can make a 3D printer. You are completely able to change anything you like, or download updates, or make your own improvements, or make a completely different printer out of it.
Was wollen Sie damit drücken?
Weiß ich noch nicht.
Erstmal die Teile für meinen Drucker.
Okay. Sieht ganz gut aus.
Ja, wird langsam. Viel Chaos, aber es funktioniert erstaunlich gut. Ne? Man stellt einfach ein Ding hin und alle gucken irgendwie beieinander ab. Alle machen die gleichen Fehler, aber irgendwie geht es dann doch.
By the end of day one, all sprockets are in place, beds are attached and the last bolts have been tightened. But there's still plenty to do tomorrow.
Yesterday we achieved that basically all printers have been put together. Some last details left, but I'm quite happy that most of the things fit together. Today is really the day that we wire everything up and put the software where it should be and make the right settings.
Soll ich mal Y aufbauen machen?
Ja.
Okay. Jetzt Z.
Ja, alle hier bei Extrude einfach auf die Taste.
Okay.
Hey. Zieht er? Guck mal, was runter rauskommt. Die erste Wurst.
What we hope to achieve is to involve more people in the RepRap community, so there is more chance that people actually start developing things, start complaining about things, so other people develop things. In other words, that the quality gets better, quality in print quality, but also in building quality, so it's nicer to build. And we hope to do this like once a month, so every month 10 more people actively involved into the RepRap society.
I think we have now a lot of people that are thinking since a long time that they want to have a 3D printer, and they were waiting because they saw it was not really in a state that it makes too much sense to put too much effort in it. The broader public, I think, they just want to use it. So we also look into solutions to just use it without having your own 3D printer. Because I don't think it makes sense for everybody to have a 3D printer in home to print once every 3 months some spare parts they need. So we are also working on solutions for this to connect people that actually do 3D printing and people that want to do 3D printing. Because in the moment it's still incredibly expensive if you do it in an online place.
Das Gelbe war einfach ein bisschen dünner, also vom Durchmesser.
Das mal auf 0.
Ups.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Was denn?
Ich würde sagen, der liegt zu hoch.
Der viel zu hoch sind wir.
Ja, der liegt zu hoch, deswegen.
Apparently there is too much material, or the bed is too low.
Slow roll.
Not rapid prototyping, huh?
Yeah.
Und? Na, das sieht gut aus. Jetzt langsam.
Scheiße. Ja. Das soll nicht passieren, ne?
Nee, das soll nicht passieren.
Ja.
Auf 210. Ja,
Ja, fertig.